Welcome to the ultimate superbike showcase, where speed meets engineering excellence. Today we are counting down some of the fastest motorcycle on the planet. Starting with the Kawasaki Ninja Ace-2R, a track-only supercharged beast that turns raw power into instant top-end performance. With over 310 horsepower and top speed that can approach 400 km per hour. It's one of the most extreme production motorcycle ever engineered. Next up, Suzuki Hayabusa, an icon of speed. Its aerodynamic body and potent engine help it dominate the top speed wars. With street models limited to about 186 miles per hour, but with legendary capability it can touch near 320 kilometers in ideal conditions. Then there are the Lightning LS218, the fastest electric production motorcycle in the world. Do not lend the silent power fool you. Its electric motor produces roughly 200 plus horsepower, propelling it to over 350 km/h and proving electric speed vital combustion. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R is next. Heavyweight machine known for incredible torque and high-speed prose. With around 200 horsepower and a top speed nearly 335 km/h under the right setup.